Type 1. No other profession is as noble as teaching. No other profession is as noble as teaching. So, keyword no other as keyword, and this is positive degree. This is positive degree. Keywords no other as are the keywords. Now no other as, when you change it into comparative degree, this keyword changes into adjective ends in er followed by than and any other. Please subscribe. Somebody is watching this live class. Please subscribe. Check subscribe. Thank you. Liked. 7 are watching this live class. Please subscribe. So, no other profession is as noble as teaching. This is positive degree. Keywords no other as. When you change this positive degree with these keywords, in comparative degree, keywords are adjective ends in er followed by than, any other. These are the keywords. Or adjective more followed by adjective than any other. Is it visible? Okay. 7 people are watching. Please subscribe. Check how many subscribe increased. From 98, how many increased? Subscribe. Check and tell. 7 people are watching. 1 like. Okay. Now what is the answer? Profession, subject. Teaching is object. Start with teaching. Comparative degree. Start with the teaching. Teaching is nobler than. Teaching is nobler than any other profession. Okay, this is the answer. Please subscribe. What is Gojo? Hassan. Hassan? What is it? Hassan? Hassan. What is the meaning? Hassan. Please subscribe. So, teaching is nobler than any other profession. My name is Hassan. Good. Where are you from? Hassan, Nepal? India? Okay, welcome to class. Please subscribe. See, teaching is nobler than any other profession. This is comparative degree. Keywords: adjective ends in er followed by than, any other. Arunachal Pradesh. Good. In which standard are you studying? College or school? This is Tamil Nadu Samachir Kalvi, class 12 topic. Please subscribe and watch. So, positive degree is changed into comparative degree. Now, change it into superlative degree. So, when you change this into superlative degree, so this is comparative degree. When you change this comparative or this positive into superlative degree, class 4. Hassan is class 4. Watching degrees of comparison. Do you have this topic in 4th standard? CBC or state syllabus? Arunachal Pradesh syllabus or CBSE? International? No. No means not state. Okay, good. If you have any doubt, you can clarify. See, positive degree. No other profession is as noble as teaching. Comparative. Start with the object, teaching. Then teaching is singular, so is. Then adjective. Noble is adjective, positive degree. When you change this into comparative degree, add er to nobler. Nobler than, followed by than, and any other keyword. Now, why you have added er, not more? Because noble is one syllable, so you have added er at the end. Got it? When do you use more before adjective in comparative degree? More or most? If there are two or more syllable, you add more in front of this adjective. Or if there is only one syllable, add er at the end of the syllable in comparative and est at the end of superlative. Okay. How is your day? Do you know me? Charlie? How is your day? You are asking. Charlie? Yeah, my day was good. Charlie is asking to me or any other subscriber. Please subscribe. From 98. Give me. Hi. Yes, fine. Mr. Charlie. Please subscribe. One subscriber increased. 3 are watching. Please subscribe. See how to change. Check. Refresh and check. Teaching is nobler than any other profession into superlative degree. For superlative degree, you add est at the end of adjective, and before the adjective, the adjective ends in est. So answer superlative degree. Please subscribe. So start with the teaching. Teaching is the noblest. The noblest. Teaching is the noblest profession. Okay? Have you understood? Somebody is watching. Have you subscribed? Please subscribe. So the type 1, no other profession is as noble as teaching. Comparative degree, this is positive degree. Comparative degree, teaching is nobler than any other profession. Superlative degree, teaching is the noblest profession. Have you understood? Now type 2. Type 2, positive degree. Example, very few professions are as noble as teaching. Very few professions are as noble as teaching. So this is positive degree. Keywords are very few, as. Okay, very few, as. Now change it into comparative degree. In comparative degree, so professions is subject, teaching is object. Start with the teaching. So in comparative degree, this adjective ends in er followed by than, followed by many other. If there is one syllable for the adjective, that adjective ends in er followed by than and many other. If there are two and more than two syllables, adjective is preceded by more followed by er than many other. Now the answer is comparative degree. Comparative degree answer is, start with the object teaching, is teaching is nobler than many other professions. Clear? Teaching is nobler than many other professions. So positive degree, very few professions are as noble as teaching. Comparative degree, teaching is nobler than many other professions. Understood? Now when you change this into superlative degree, adjective ends in er followed by than many other changes into one of the adjective ends in est. Okay, one of the adjective ends in est. Answer. Start with teaching. Teaching is one of the noblest professions. Teaching is one of the noblest professions. Clear? Type 3. For type 3 there is no superlative degree because positive degree you are comparing, there is no comparison in positive degree, and you are saying two things are equal. This is positive degree. In comparative degree you are comparing one thing to another one. In superlative degree you are comparing one thing to many. In type 3 you are not comparing something to many. There are only two things. You are comparing one with another one. For example, in positive degree, apples are costlier than mangoes in summer season. Apples are costlier than mangoes in summer season. Apples are costlier than mangoes in summer season. The keywords, this is comparative degree. Comparative degree. Adjective ends in er followed by than. This is comparative degree. Keywords, adjective ends in er followed by than. This comparative is positive degree. Now when you change this into positive degree, adjective as you are using as adjective as. Not so as, not so as. This is positive degree. Okay. For this type, apples are costlier than mangoes in summer season. When you change this comparative into positive, use the keyword not so as. So the answer is start with the object. Subject is apples, object is mangoes. Start with the object. Mangoes are not so costly as apples in summer season. So this is positive degree. Now, type 4. For type 4, there is no superlative degree. Example, comparative degree. Example, apples are not more expensive than mangoes during winter. Apples are not more expensive than mangoes during winter. Please subscribe. Somebody is watching. Change it into positive. Identify the keyword not, more, adjective followed by than, comparative degree. Change it into positive. So apples, subject, mangoes, object. Start with the mangoes. So as, keyword is as. Mangoes are as expensive as apples during winter.